Morning.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good to see you again. The Jamaica Music Museum, as you to answer your question, started about 15 years ago, and we have since built quite an impressive collection over that short period. It's not a large collection by any means, but I think quite an important set of instruments and other stuff related to our music.
Yes.
And if I should just point out a piece or two to you that makes it that impressive, I'd start over here with, the great Scatolites. Everyone knows their contribution to our music. And this trumpet belonged to the great Dizzy Johnny Moore of the Scatolites. And I think that's an important instrument to have in the collection. You think of somebody like Rico Rodriguez, and his trombone was donated to the museum. So among everything here, you'll find quite a number of precious pieces.
Okay.
So, I hope that the collection will grow way into the future, of course. I will only be a spirit guide.
Oh, stop it. And where is this museum, the Jamaica Museum? Where is it located?
Oh, it's a department of the Institute of Jamaica, which, by the way, this year celebrates 145 years.
Okay. And it's located in the east?
It's on East Street, just at the corner of Water Lane.
Okay.
Until such time that we grow into a larger building and more high tech. This is it, and get your friends to come.
Brilliant, we will. Thank you very much. So you've heard it, Jamaica Music Museum, East Street. What's the telephone number people can contact? You can look for them on social media.
922
Yes.
0620.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you very much.